Alright. Just give me 1 minute. If you are preparing for PT, planning to take PT, which you certainly are, but not really sure where to practice from, which feedback you need to rely on, which scoring system you need to trust, where to take mock tests, where to take free mock tests, I am going to give you a free platform where you practice. You're going to get instant results, instant feedback, instant analysis just at a click of a button, that too free of cost for a limited period of time. If you are planning to go for the exam, just go on 𝗙𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀.com.au, register for free, start practicing. You can start practice. You will get instant feedback, you'll get analysis, you are going to get tutor feedback as well. You can practice any of the 20 tasks in PTE, plus you can take one full mock test and 4 sectional mock tests, get the scorecard, get the feedback, plus get tutor feedback, which will give you a clear idea of where you need to work on, how you need to work on, and how you have to turn your weakness into your strength. What are you waiting for? Just go on 𝗙𝗿𝗀𝗀𝗀.com.au right now, register and kickstart your journey. Clear your exam like thousands of other students are in the shortest period of time. Thank you guys. Varun from Language Academy. See you on the platform.